Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mellow. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here. So in today's video, I am doing another Vrenmol Polygel set. It's actually just like in my last video, it just comes with polygel. That's it, nothing else. So this one came with the 6 colors and the instructions like I'm showing you here. So I'm just gonna show you the these are the 15 mil sizes, which I wish these were a little bit bigger because it's such little polygel and I really love these colors, but hey, the price wasn't too bad, so I'm not gonna complain about it, but I just wish they were bigger. But anyways, so I'm just showing you all 6 of the colors here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them on a paper towel like I do. I hope everyone is doing well, getting ready for the holidays. I can't believe it's that time of year already. It came so quick. But anyway, so here I'm opening up the colors, just taking off the seals, and I'm going to swatch all of the colors here. There's that gray. And this one is the black with glitter. And then I was going to swatch this pink one, but I said I was going to save that one for last because that's my favorite one. So I just saved that for last. And while you're here, just go ahead and hit that like button for me or dislike button. Either way, the engagement matters and it helps me to grow my channel. So I would appreciate it either way. Thank you guys so much. And then I'm just going to continue on with the colors here. And let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Tell me how you like this design. If you've ever tried these Vrenmol Polygels, how you like them. Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, if you have any questions, I'll be sure to answer those in the comments as well. I'm just going to let you guys watch real quick while I finish swatching the colors. And then I'm going to come back and when I start doing the polygel. Oh my god, do you guys see that pink? It is so gorgeous. That is my favorite color of the whole set. But anyway, so here I'm going in with this black glitter polygel. And I had no idea what I was going to do with these nails once I started. But I just kind of sat down staring at the colors for a while. And then I was like, you know what? I'll just figure something out. So this is literally what you see me doing, is kind of just winging it with this design. But I wanted to come in and talk to you guys too about these forms that I'm using. I decided, I know I've used the paper forms before, but these clear forms are actually meant for use with gel. Because they're clear or transparent, they actually help the gel to cure all the way through, which makes it, you know, you have less time curing in the lamp. So that's what these clear forms are for. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys. That's what I'm using. I have used these before, but it's been a while. It's actually been a while since I've used forms anyway, but yeah, it's been a while since I've used these. I kind of dug them out of my drawer from somewhere. But anyways, so yeah, I'm just going in now on this nail with some clear. I decided to do like a, I guess a reverse ombre, you can call it. It's like you just did the black glitter on the bottom, and then I'm going in with just clear polygel over that. And then I actually go in with another layer after I cure this first layer, just to encapsulate the black glitter and then create my shape and my apex and all that. So I do that. I don't show the curing, I just kind of skip over that part. But after I did this thin layer, I did go in and cure it for, I believe I just did 30 seconds because that's really all it needs. I just need the polygel not to run or move, or just for it to stay in place. So I just do 30 seconds and then I go back in with another layer. So I think I actually cut that out of the video for whatever reason. I don't know why. But anywho, so on this nail, I'm going in with that pink color. And I actually start by doing the tip first. So I do kind of a thin layer here on the tip, and I form the nail, form my shape and everything. And then once I have that down, then I will go in with the second layer, which is to build my apex and, you know, correct my, or fix my shape, build up the nail, and create the structure with that second bead. But I do cure this one also for 30 seconds before I go in with the second bead. So you won't see that, I didn't show that. So here I'm going in with the second bead of the pink, and now I'm doing the full nail. So I do the cuticle area and then all the way down the nail. The only thing about polygel for me is that I take forever to do polygel, because you can sit and play with it for like ever, and you know, to get your shape. So I think that's maybe like one negative for me. It just takes me forever because I want to try to get it perfect every time, and it still never happens, but I still try anyway. But yeah, so this is the second layer. I'll go in, and then I go and I actually cure that for 30 seconds as well. And the reason I do the second layer for 30 seconds is because I still have to go do all the nails. So every time I do a nail, my hand goes back into the lamp anyway. So 30 seconds is enough just to get the polygel not to move around. And then, you know, once I do the last nail, I'll cure. My whole hand is in there for the full 60 seconds. So, you know, they still get the full cure that they need at the end. So I'm just still perfecting the shape. I told you guys it takes forever. And then I'm doing the same thing. I skipped over the middle finger because I'm doing the same thing on this ring finger. So I just did these two pink ones first, and then I'm gonna go back in and do the middle fingernail. So like I said, if you guys have any questions, comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. I answer every question, or I answer every comment. I reply, so just leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I will also have this kit linked in the description below for you guys if you're interested. Vrenmol has a lot of these polygel kits with lots of great colors right now on Amazon. These kits that don't have the, you know, all the stuff in them, is just the polygel, and they have great colors. So you guys will be seeing a few more of these from me, because there was a few more that I actually want to pick up from Amazon. So you'll be seeing a few more of these kits from me. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just doing the same thing on this ring finger with the pink. And like I said, I cure the first layer in between, then I cure the second layer for 30 seconds. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch. If you're still here with me watching, I really appreciate it. That really helps out my channel. I'm trying to grow, and so that really helps me out. The longer you watch, commenting, liking, all that stuff really helps out the channel. So I appreciate you guys when you do. Thank you so much. Again, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure to watch till the end so you can see the completed design. Oh yeah, in this video I actually had to cut out some of the filing and stuff because my phone died in between, because I do record with my phone. So my phone died, so I wasn't able to get some of the filing and stuff like I've been doing the last couple of videos. So you won't get to see that part, but you will get to see the final design at the end. And I couldn't record me doing the design either because my stupid phone died. So I wish I could have gotten that on recording, but I couldn't. But anyway, I hope you guys watch till the end so you can see the final design, and let me know again what you think in the comments. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.